ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ। ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਨਾਰਥ ਬੀਚ ਟ੍ਰੇਲਸ, ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਕਿ ਗੋਲਡਨ ਈਅਰਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਿੰਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਪਾਰਕ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਆ। ਅਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਆਪਣਾ ਡਰੋਨ ਵੀ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਅਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਫੁਟੇਜ ਲੈਣ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਸੋ ਲੈਟਸ ਗੋ। Hello. A small double.
Okay.
And a 12-grain bagel toasted with extra butter. Beautiful road. No traffic. Peaceful and serene. Such a beautiful view. We are almost into the park, and very soon we will be hitting the North Beach, and we will try our new drone as well today. So this is North Beach. We will go there and set up our new drone and try to get some beautiful footage. This is first time we are trying our new drone in real time. Basically, I have no training. This is the first time, and I wish I had some training to fly this one, but so far it's not bad. At this point, I went too close to the trees and failed to calculate the height of the drone and crashed it into the tree, but need not to worry. I purchased the insurance from DJI, which will replace the drone free of cost.